Hello, my name is Claire Rodgers, and I am a math teacher here at Charleston Charter School for Math and Science. My first block, I teach on Tuesdays and Fridays, PSAT. I help with the math part of it. Second block, every day, I have Foundations in Algebra, which is a 9th grade course, and it's a year-long course that becomes an Algebra 1 credit. Third block, I have Honors Pre-Calculus, and fourth block, I have Honors Calculus. I also have Senior Crew, and I'm a senior advisor, which helps our seniors get ready for college or careers, and as well as planning events for seniors and just having a good time for their last year here with us. You can find all of my classes on Canvas, and just go to Canvas and they are named exactly what I just called them. And if you click on one, you will see over on the left-hand side the word syllabus. And if you click on that, you can find my syllabus and a description of each one of my courses. All right, let's take a quick little tour of my classroom. I am sitting currently at my desk, and then we're just going to kind of look around the room. So when you come in the room, there is the door. And then over there are some passes. That's how the scholars go to the bathroom or to the office. They go and sign in and out on there. And then you can see that the tables are whiteboard tables, so that's fun. And then in the back there is our supply closet. That's things that the scholars can use, papers, erasers, pencils. I have all kinds of things for them just in case they left anything at home. And then if you come around this way, there's where the whiteboard is. And those little seats there, those are fun. Those are, you can sit on the floor if you want, if you're just not feeling it in your table that day. Those are little floor desks, so those are neat. And there's my smart board. And then we're around to the objectives board, and then also where I keep some names for good points. Those are tickets where they can earn prizes. And then we are back to my desk. All right, and then that is the tour of Miss Rodgers' room. And then lastly, I want to give you my information to make sure that you can get a hold of me. That is it. Make sure when you put in my email that you put a D in Rodgers, Rodgers. Okay? All right. Have a good one.